Hello guys, how are you? My name is Olbaid, and this video is to show you or talk about my new mix and mastering service, and I'm gonna talk about each service. I mean, what does include each of these ones. For example, the first service is basic mix. This is done with a lot of samples, and this is how it looks like. You're gonna send me each of individual sound of your track in order to reconstruct or rebuild this inside my DAW. Bass lines, each layer, kick, clap, percussion, effects, all of the sounds, so I will be able to do this. And each of these tracks will be equalized, compressed, or anything I have to do in order to achieve good sound, balanced mix, etc. The second service is the basic mastering. This is also done with just one sample, like this one. Again, you gotta send me just one sample, the master sample in format WAV, and I'm gonna do all the process that needs your track. Compression, EQing, limitation, I don't know, each track is different, in order to achieve some full sound, powerful sound. Any of these two options of basic mix or basic mastering, I'm gonna return to you the MP3 and the WAV. You can choose between 16 bits, 24 bits, or even 32 bits. Okay, but here is the interesting part. Mix FLP and Master FLP. Both of these services are inside FL Studio. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, this means you gotta send me your project, your full project, so I will be able to examine your track, and I can retouch, move, edit everything you have done, including compression, EQing, adjust volume, all of the things that will give you some clean sound, powerful sound of your track. If you send me your project, also if you want the Master FLP option, it's the same. You will send me your full project, and I will do the mastering inside FL Studio in the master track. I think this is something interesting because you won't find any other services that give you this, because I will return to you the project and you will be able to examine it and learn how I did it. I mean, you will be able to see if I EQ something like this, if I cut off some frequencies, if I made, I don't know, all of the things I have to do in order to achieve your mix. You will be able to study all the things I did, and you will learn. You won't find this anywhere else. And last but not least, the main feature, I mean, Mix and Master FLP Premium. If you want the premium option, this is, I think, the more interesting of all of them. I'm not only gonna mess with the mixer or the master. I will correct everything within the root. I mean, if your kick is sounding weak, I will use my own samples to make it sound stronger. For example, if your bassline sounds a little thin or lacks of lush, I'm gonna create or use new layers to make it sound better. And this will be done with every sound of your track. Bassline, leads, pads, even some effects. I will choose my own sounds, my own samples to make your track sound better. And I think this is something unique. You won't find this anywhere else, because I will send the project back to you and you will have the presets, samples, and of course all of the knowledge of how I made it. And this will help you to improve with your future productions. So this is it, guys. This is all the services I'm offering to you. Prices in US dollars, and the payment method is through PayPal. If you want some of these services, I will be waiting for your email. And if you need some of these services for 2 tracks or more, I can give you a discount. So this is everything for this video, guys. I hope you find it useful, and see you the next time.